Hello guys, my name's Abigail. Today we got the new series. It's the snow globes. Let's see what's inside. Today's letter is letter K. K is for kaleidoscope. Let's see what's inside. It's revealing. We got a message. Light tree. Gold one. We got gold. We got. I'm going super rare. We got gold! Surprise, there's tissues. Wow! LILS series. Let's see what's inside. Come in. We got We got she's super cute and sparkly pants. She has a swimsuit. Let's see what we got. What does it mean? There's also a pet. There's also pets. There's a color. My one color changed. Is it ultra rare? Is it the ultra rare one? Nothing else is new. So this must be the ultra rare. This must be the ultra rare. This must be a rare one. Ooh, you got the rare one. You're right. There's sticker for the ball. Great. Okay, we're gonna open that later. Right now, let's open and see what's in this set. How did you find this blue scissor, Mom? How do you find it? We got this diamond purse. It's super cool. I like the ring. Cool. Okay, just put that there. Can't wait for this. This is not open. We got what? We got shoes. I didn't got shoes before. How did she got it? She's super cool. She's the ultra one. Let's put on the stickers. So put it on. Put on the stickers. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's put on the bow. There. The bow is supposed to be there. Now we need to put the eyes. Super cool. There's a snowman. Let's see how does it look. Put it on. We did it. I think this must be the smile. Super hard. So we have to put this down some. Oh, okay. Now I see. Put it there. Her name is. She got the glitter glam one. Glitter. Let's see. Ready, set, turn! We got the glitter one. We got glitter glam. Let's show her. She's super cute. And her pet is this, and they're both color change. She's the Glitter Glam Ultra Wear. Her name is Glitter Glamour Queen. Let's see this. There we go. Okay, let's put that. Where's the baby? Oh, she's in here. Okay, so we have to put water in here. Can't move. Thank you, Dada. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Look, there's more. We have to put this. Another letter is the letter L. L is for lamp. If you want to see me open more LOLs, and you can watch my channel. Okay. If you want to see me open more LOLs, you have to subscribe. Because yesterday you didn't subscribe. And I got 2 views.